In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Resimac's 305 wet bond paste in damp, diverse conditions. An alternative product that can be used when a planned plate bonding repair is scheduled but dry weather is not guaranteed. This innovative epoxy solution is suitable for application in rain or during downpours. For best results, the product should be applied to mechanically prepared surfaces. However, due to its advanced formulation, repairs can be completed with minimal surface preparation. Using either a wire brush or abrasive sandpaper, scour the damaged area. The product is supplied in pre-measured volumes for ease of precise mixing. For smaller quantities, a 1:1 volume ratio can be used. Taking your spatula, remove equal amounts of both activator and base onto a clean mixing board. And blend thoroughly. Wipe away as much of the water as you can with a clean cloth before applying the paste to the prepared surface and throughout the application. Force the mixture into the damaged area using a paintbrush, repeating this technique on the prepared metal plate. Carefully aligning the bonding plate over the damaged area, press it firmly into place to create a complete bond, ensuring excess material extrudes evenly from all sides. Once fully cured, any excess material can be smoothed back mechanically or by hand. Resimac's 305 wet bond paste was designed for in-situ repairs, where dry conditions are not always predictable, saving time and costs on rescheduling planned maintenance and emergency repairs. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.